that's the, oh my God.
Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same.
Hi guys, here's me, Anna. Just got back to the favorite thing to do. We're gonna be trading on the Quotex platform, just using different strategies. Today it's gonna be just one, of course, but it's gonna be really nice. I think maybe it's gonna be nice. At least we get to check how we can handle it. Let us start. And we go. We're starting by minting total 586. Then it's gonna be all these currencies from the top of the list, just as always, nothing special. With this strategy, I'm kind of excited because I'm not sure how it's gonna be working for us. There's some risks in it. Anyway, we would go with this. We will go with this 10 seconds candles because it's, I'm pretty sure about that. And we started with a zigzag, then we go into the momentum. Okay, and then we're gonna be going to the Williams. I'm saying that. So 3 lines indicators. And we don't even have a channel on the chart. 3 lines indicators. Nice, it looks nice. And I already can see what's going on, but let us check it. So I chose the color blue just to show you that we really are looking for the combination right there. Here just an easy one because even with the zigzag you can see that. Of course we're going to be just praying and hoping that we're going to be following the patterns, and this is the main principle that we base our analysis, that we're going to be going to the upper, to the highest point and then going back. Nobody told us that the highest point is going to be at the previous highest point level. Nobody guaranteed that. The problem is the smaller fluctuations we have, the more risk we have because we are really close to all of this estimated level. And with this Williams, it was kind of visible that it's going to be this small fluctuation, and a lot of Williams for that. We're going to be going about the momentum. It has the wider chart, it has more space to move, and it's more like about the candles if you're going to be comparing these two indicators. And we unfortunately went through some messy chart, but we were okay because the main and the basic principle right here is just to go with the same patterns, rising and falling, and that was enough to get the profit right here. Maybe all of that looks really easy because of the zigzag and the period of it, because it goes really close to this candles and to the chart, and you're just like, okay, I can see it. But of course, this is not enough. And I must say, even without the zigzag, we could see this fluctuation. And I must say that I think the big tendency right there is to go downward because we're going lower and lower with the bottoms, and we're going a bit lower with the highest points. So that's the risk somehow, because we may not go that fast upward. If the big tendency is to go downward, that's going to be the main, like energy over there. But I still don't think that it's going to be just the clear falling. That's going to be really suicidal to go only for the downward trend right here. But you can see it. Oh my God. That was also suicidal. I'll tell you, just the big tendency right there is to go downward. You need to be quite careful with it. No, it's rising right there. We were lucky. We were really lucky. How about this one? Like in most of the cases, seems like the big fallen trend, but and Williams and the momentum at the lowest part of its own charts, and that's really bad signal. Because that might be the bottom. Let's wait for that. Just want to see how it's going and what it's going to be at the end, just to talk about that more. So you can see it, especially with the Williams, we kind of trust it because it's not adjustable chart, but we can go flat to the lowest part and it's still going to be low and low and low. And once again, there was nothing, no tricky business, just following the same patterns and going quite slowly downward as we've been going quite slowly upward. And actually by saying slowly, I don't mean like the time frame, I mean the candles, because we can go, sometimes that could be a really big, really jumping candles, but the level is going to be just like that. So we go really high, then go really low, go really high, go really low. And actually the movement is it's just about that. So maybe it's all about the time frame, maybe it's all about the movement, but you can see it, you can feel it. It's not like really changing the direction in all the times. You can see that perfectly. And what about this one? It's been actually, that's been actually a problem because it seems like the big downward trend. We had it. Now Williams, now the momentum at the highest parts of its own chart. So the fluctuation is done. It is done. And we can see it in advance with the speed of the line that is actually going within that chart. But we were correct at the moment. We were correct at the moment and we got lucky because it started really low with this downward trend. It was really fast to grow and started really slow with the falling, but that was the risk. What is it? Messy. Williams at the bottom, I know, but it's been at the bottom before. Nothing. No, it's been at the bottom before, okay, then it started to go with its a little bit of small fluctuations, a little bit upward, and momentum is not at the bottom at all. Okay, just I want to talk about that. Let's see. And I regretted, I really regretted going with the upward trend. I mean, with these tiny movements, we are in the risk with any bad. That's the. But anyway, by the end of the day, I was correct about this rising, maybe a tiny bit, but I'm just shocked, shell shocked. At the end of it, it actually wasn't that bad. It's not the perfect strategy because we have kind of the same signals, and that's nice to test yourself, you know, just to get risky a little bit. But the end of it, so you can see it. Sometimes you just get lucky by being wrong. You've been actually wrong. And you get lucky because of that. But we cannot count on that. So you better be skipping the situation when you are not insecure, you are not certain about what's going on, or go with a really small bets because you don't need to lose everything because of the tiny movement of the candle. That's it, guys. We're done.